Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body if you start drinking lemon water every morning for just 7 days? It might sound like one of those overhyped wellness trends, but what you're about to discover might completely change how you look at your morning routine. The truth is, this simple habit of squeezing half a lemon into warm water and drinking it on an empty stomach can trigger a chain reaction of powerful transformations in your body, and most people have no idea how fast it works. On day 1, the first thing you'll notice is a change in your digestion. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, and when combined with warm water, it gently wakes up your digestive system. Your stomach starts producing more acid, which means food will break down more efficiently throughout the day. That means less bloating, less heaviness, and better absorption of nutrients. It is like giving your gut a head start, and that alone can make a big difference in how you feel for the rest of the day. As you move into day 2 and 3, your body begins to detox on a deeper level. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemon water begin to support your liver, helping it flush out toxins more effectively. You may notice you are going to the bathroom more often. That is your body letting go of excess waste. And with those toxins leaving your system, you might feel a bit lighter, more alert, and even more energized. That foggy feeling in the morning, it starts to fade. By day 4, something surprising might happen. Your skin starts to glow. That's because the hydration from the water, combined with the boost of vitamin C, helps your body produce more collagen. Collagen is what keeps your skin looking smooth, elastic, and young. If you struggle with acne, dullness, or uneven skin tone, this small habit could start making a visible difference right in the mirror. As day 5 and 6 arrive, you might notice that your cravings start to shift. Lemon water helps balance your blood sugar levels, which means fewer energy crashes and less desire for sugar or salty snacks. It also helps reduce inflammation, which can affect everything from mood swings to joint pain. You may feel more calm, more focused, and even more emotionally stable, all from a drink that takes less than a minute to make. And then, by day 7, your body feels different. You're more regular. Your skin looks clearer. Your mornings feel lighter. You might even sleep better and feel more resilient to stress. But the biggest shift? Your immune system. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a nutrient your body needs to produce white blood cells and fight off viruses. By the end of the week, you've already started building a stronger defense system, naturally. And the best part, this isn't some expensive supplement. You don't have to change your entire diet. You don't need a complicated detox plan. All you need is 1 lemon, 1 glass of water, and the decision to take control of your health, one small action at a time. Imagine what could happen in 30 days. Imagine how much better you'd feel if this was part of your everyday routine. So tomorrow morning, before anything else, before your coffee, before you scroll your phone, before breakfast, squeeze half a lemon into warm water and drink it slowly. Do it for 7 days, just 7, and watch how your body responds. If this inspired you and you want more powerful wellness tips that actually work, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tips for Living Well. Your health transformation doesn't need to be hard. It just needs to begin, and it can start with 1 lemon.